Hey guys, welcome back to the Cotton channel. So today we'll be learning how to use the pen tool. So this is the pen tool, or the shortcut key will be P. So pen tool is for you to draw shapes, draw lines and draw stuff like that. So you might want to practice a little bit. So let's see. First you want to disable the fill. And let's see, the stroke, maybe we put it at red so that we can see it easily. So what you want to do is you just click on it, click on the point that will create the first point, second point, third point, and this is how easy it is, like to draw the diamond shape, right? Okay, tada! And now we have a full shape of the diamond. Tada! And from here you can actually change it to like a fill or anything you want to change it to be. Okay, let's look at example number 2. So let's say if we want to trace this Pepsi logo, right? So first thing you want to do is you want to click on your first point. Okay, but now this is going to draw a straight line. How do we do this? So you're going to click on your second point and then you want to click and drag. And as you can see, so the next thing you want to do is you want to click and drag. So as you can see, if you drag this and then so we are going to try. So let's say we want to draw something that is irregular shape. So like this Pepsi logo. So let's say like this. So you're going to click on the first point and the second point. But if you do it like previously, it will draw like a straight line. So what you're going to do is you click and drag, and you see as you drag, it will change the shape of the pen tool. So you see there's this line, this line that will increase the length. As you increase it, it will make a bigger curve, if you know what I mean. So you just need to practice and then eventually you will get to how to do this. Okay, so from here, if we want to draw the another side, how do we do this? If we do this, this is going to happen no matter how you turn. So what you want to do is you want to click on the option key, click on this point. Okay, and this will like kind of start the point again. And then you draw on the final point. And it's not working again. Okay, so we Command Z again. So because the curve might be too far away, or I don't know. So what you want to do is you want to click maybe somewhere midway, and then you start drawing the line like this. And then the same thing, click on option and click on this point again, and then go here. And tada! You are drawing the whole circle. I mean the whole shape. The same thing goes with the second one. You cannot be drawing like this because this is like going down here and then going upwards. So what you want to do is click here, maybe somewhere here, and then you click and then you drag, and then you click on the option again, and then you click and drag, and then the same thing, click, and then maybe somewhere in the middle, click and drag until it matches the shape, I guess. Okay, it's not matching the shape. Okay, and then click again and drag. So if you want this to be easier, you want to make sure that your fill is deselected so that it'll be kind of easier for you to draw the lines and see the guides and stuff like that. Ta-da! Wait. Again. I guess I mean, there are ways to learn this in a very complicated way. You can go in very technical and stuff like that. But we are going to make this as simple as we can. Okay, it's not working. So maybe we need another point here. And then click on the option again. And then click here. Ta-da! And we're done. So you're gonna click on the V button to deselect everything. Okay, so now we're done. And then you select both of these. Let's say you click on the first one, you click on the eye button, that will bring up the eyedropper. Click on this, click on this. Ta-da! And we are done tracing using the pen tool. So this is how easy it is to use the pen tool. So we've come to the end of this video. If you like videos on Adobe Illustrator, Photoshops, and other designing tutorials, tips and tricks, please do subscribe to this channel and hit on the notification bell button. I'll see you guys in the next video again. Bye bye.